Good morning from Carolina Marine Group. We are in the middle of the Pacific. It's 4:30 in the morning. I have my Grateful Dead playing to keep me up, and we are on a 78-foot Fleming. Just opened up the powerhouse door. And this is pretty blacked out. We are actually in some fog right now, so we are just on electronics, which I'll go over. We've got a couple of radios. This one's monitoring channel 13 for ship-to-ship communication. This one right here is take the panel off a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Turn up the brightness on this here a little bit. So these are all of our gauges that tell us how the engines are running. We've got a menu screen here, and I can switch to our fuel system. We've transferred tanks earlier today, and we had full complement of fuel before we left Canada. And we should be arriving around 4 o'clock today in San Francisco. Water system. We're going to turn on the water maker in a little bit just so we can top off our water tanks, and we've got really no black or gray water. Much it. How the engines are running and handling, temperatures, things like that. So that's what's over on this monitor right here. We're going to turn this down because we like everything pitch black out inside so we can see to the outside. This is our radar right here. Turn this one back up so you guys can see what I'm looking at. There's one target on the radar here. It's hard to see right there, where I've been monitoring. I actually had to alter course to get around him. That's a fishing vessel. It's been pretty quiet. There's about 4 or 5 about an hour or so ago that we passed, and this is our course line right here that we're going to be traveling. I just made a course change right here, and we're about 10-15 miles off the coast, so we're pretty close inland, so we can get some service, which is kind of nice. So this is our radar. I've got this at 6 nautical miles. Another radar right here, which you can barely see, but I've got this one at 12 nautical miles. So we get 2 differentiations. I got them about doubled up, so 6 and 12. And then this right here is our navigation. I'll turn this up so you guys can see this as well. From me except for pea soup. So here's the boat right here, and actually zoom out the center of the boat, zoom out so you can see where we are, how far off the coast we are. About 15 miles off the coast, a little bit more. And we're going to come down here. It's Port Arena, and we're going to round the corner. There's the TSS traffic separation scheme right through here, which is what we're going to hit, and we're going to come into San Francisco right here. Alcatraz Island is right here, and we're going to be coming into this marina over in here, over in Sausalito. So if I zoom out, you can kind of see the rest of our course right there, and we came all the way from all the way up here, all the way up and through there is where we started. So, pretty good chunk of the west coast. So, that's that. And pretty much do nothing but monitor charts and radars, especially at night here. If I look up, this is looking out the window. Obviously you can see nothing, so we kind of, especially in the fog, which is what we've got right now, so we just kind of keep our heads in the radars and chart plotters and things like that, and just monitor for anything we see. So that's what we're doing. I should be in port sometime around 5:30. It tells us right down here. So 5 o'clock now. Just between 5 and 6. So we got 13 hours left so far. So it's about a 86 to 90 hour trip, depending on our speed. So that's what we're doing at Carolina Marine Group. We should be in port and back over into Charleston by tomorrow afternoon, running charters back over there. So I figured I'd give you guys a little look about what's going on, what we do when we're not chartering in the Charleston Harbor. So Captain Dave, talk to you later. Bye.